No leader ever wants to face the challenge of downsizing, but sometimes it's unavoidable. In times of uncertainty, making the tough call can leave you feeling torn between what's best for the business and the impact on your team. But there's a way to navigate these difficult moments with integrity and purpose. Today, we're going to talk about downsizing, how you can make value-based decisions during tough times. It's all about ensuring that every move you make, even in challenging circumstances, stays aligned with your company's core values and your long-term goals. When making tough decisions, let your company's purpose be your guide. Do not just think about reducing costs, but also consider making choices that protect what your business stands for. Prioritizing areas that reflect your core mission and values so that even as you downsize, your identity remains intact. It's easy to cut corners in the short term, but decisions made without values in mind can damage your brand in the long-term run. Let your why steer you towards cuts that preserve your integrity. Communications during downsizing is key. Be transparent with your team about why these decisions are necessary and how they fit into the larger strategy. When people understand the why behind the decision, it can ease uncertainty and help maintain trust, even in difficult times. Honesty goes a long way. Explaining the bigger picture can help employees see how these steps are part of a plan to secure the company's future, which makes the process easier to digest. Finally, it's essential to offer support to those affected. Downsizing doesn't just impact the company, it impacts the people's lives. Providing resources and showing genuine care for employees, even as they transition out, keeps your company's values at the forefront. Downsizing is never easy, but when you make the decision with purpose, you ensure that your business stays aligned with its values. By staying transparent, ethical, and supportive, you can navigate these tough times without losing sight of who you are as a company. Tough times don't last forever, but the way you handle them defines your leadership. Stay true to your company's why, and you'll emerge stronger, even through downsizing.